How to fix battery drain on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on battery. In here, scroll down and see which apps use the most power. You can also then go ahead and delete or restrict any apps draining battery in the background. Next, go back to Settings homepage and tap on General and then on Background App Refresh. Tap on Background App Refresh again and set it to off or Wi-Fi only. This will stop apps from using battery when not in use. Next, go back to Settings again and tap on Privacy and Security and then on Location Services. In here, go ahead and set most apps to while using instead of always. Now, in settings again tap on accessibility and then on display and text size under the vision tab. Here scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option for auto brightness. Go ahead and enable auto brightness in here. You can then go ahead and reduce the screen brightness of your iPhone manually and further tap on the display and brightness option there and then go ahead and set it to dark mode for OLED iPhones. Next, in settings again tap on display and brightness and then tap on the always on display off if you have this option available on your iPhone. Next, go back to settings homepage and tap on battery and then go ahead and enable low power mode as this will reduce background activity, mail fetch and visual effects. Also, in settings again tap on Bluetooth and set it to off. Next, go back to settings and tap on general and then on AirPlay and handoff. Here, go ahead and disable the handoff toggle button. Also, you can then go ahead and tap on general and then on transfer or reset iPhone and then on reset and then on reset all settings. Here, once reset, your data will be safe and it will reset system preferences. So, these were a few fixes on how you can fix battery drain on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.